Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Enchanted Chest fast in Grow Garden Very Update Part 2. Okay, there are two methods we can try to get the Enchanted Chest, guys. The first one, we can get the Enchanted Chest by crafting it on this crafting table. And now I'm crafting the Enchanted Chest, and we need to wait for about 30 minutes if I'm not mistaken. And then the second method, you can go to the very world. You can enter the very world with this very ring, and this very ring appear every hour after the very event, 30 minutes after the very event. And I'm going to enter the very world. Alright, and now I'm in the very world, and here you can go to the luminous sprite. Wait, let me find the luminous sprite. Okay, you can search for the luminous sprite here, guys. Okay, it's here. You can submit your very jars to unlock the enchanted chest. You can talk to the NPC and then you can click on what are you selling. Okay, and to unlock this enchanted chest, you need to submit 50 very jars to Lumina. And then you can buy this enchanted chest with your very coins. Okay, just buy it like this. And I'm going to restock with my shekels. And you can keep restocking like this to buy the enchanted chest. Yeah. And okay guys, that's all the way to get the Enchanted Chest fast in Grow a Garden Very Update Part 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!